In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Webflow indexing. This is especially useful if you're still designing your site, testing layouts, or working on client approvals, and you don't want that unfinished version to appear in search results. We'll focus on turning off indexing for your Webflow subdomain, which is the default domain Webflow gives you while you build. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along in your own account. First, go ahead and log into your Webflow account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all of your Webflow projects or sites are listed. Find the site you're working on, the one you want to hide from search engines. Move your mouse over that project card. As you hover over it, you'll see a small gear icon appear in the top right corner of the card. That gear icon is the shortcut to your site's settings. Click on it, and Webflow will open the site settings page in a new view. On the site settings page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with different tabs such as General, Hosting, and others. In that list, click on the tab labeled SEO. This is where Webflow keeps all the search engine-related options for your site. Once you're in the SEO tab, focus on the top portion of the page. There, you'll see a section called Indexing. This is where Webflow controls whether your Webflow subdomain can be indexed by search engines like Google. In that indexing section, you'll see an option labeled Webflow Subdomain Indexing, along with a toggle switch. If the toggle is currently on, that means search engines are allowed to index your Webflow subdomain. To disable indexing, simply click the toggle to turn it off. After you've turned the toggle off, it's important not to stop there. Look toward the top right of that indexing section and click the Save button to confirm your changes. Saving makes sure that Webflow actually updates the setting on your project. Finally, once your changes are saved, go to the top right corner of the site settings page and click Publish. Publishing applies the new SEO and indexing settings to your live Webflow subdomain. Without this step, the change might not be reflected on the live version of your site, and that's it. You've successfully disabled Webflow indexing for your subdomain, keeping your in-progress site out of search results until you're ready to go public.